Hello friends, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Follow Me, and in today's tutorial we're going to see how to create a panorama carousel, a seamless panorama carousel for your Instagram handles. And the software which I'm going to use as usual is Canva, which makes this task super duper easy for us, right? So without any further ado, let's straight dig into our Canva home screen. This is I'm at my Canva home screen. Well, for this panorama carousel, I want a 4-slide panorama carousel or seamless carousel. For that, first I have to go to custom size, and I have to give width at 4000 because 1000 pixel for 4 slides I'll be using, and height I will keep 1000 pixel, and I will create the design. Perfect, it appears perfect. So now once it is done, then I will have to go to this file option, left hand side, second option, file, and I'll have to show the rule, and again I'll have to show the margin, right? So once the rule is shown, I will just take 1000 approximately 1000 each time. So I will go to 2000 here for the second slide. For the third slide, I will come around 3000, and this is my fourth slide, right? I can remove the margin from here, right? I don't need the margin. Now next job is to get a beautiful background. Now for that, you can see there are available templates which are available here. If you find any of these templates matching with your kind of theme which you look for, like for the time being, for today's tutorial, I'm going to make a panorama carousel for and a channel which is dealing with food. I can give here food and check if something coming. Yes, I got something. Well, I will take maybe this one. I can take. Okay, I can take this one, and I will just change it a little bit. I don't need this order now button, or these things are not of my use, so I will just delete this, right? This is also is not required. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll keep the food in between two slides just to give it a continuous feel. This one also here, this one I don't need basically. Okay, I don't need this. Now this font I like, so I kept it. Now what I'll do is I'll go to elements, and I will, in search bar, I will type food stickers. As soon as I type food stickers, many food stickers will appear here. I can take any of these if I want. Suppose I want this burger, this hot dog to be placed here. I can just change the position a bit, make it smaller, but make sure you're doing it in the middle of 2 slides, just to give it an idea that, just to give it a feel that this is not this is a continuous carousel, right? Okay, anything else, it's up to you how you want to use it. I can use this one. I like this one. I can use it here, little bit like this. Yes, here like this. And then I need one more. Suppose I can give a beautiful emo here. Okay, and I need a chef. If I give chef here, I go to graphics, I can get many here. So I can take this one, I'll just make it small, and I will put it here, right? So this is how you can make. I think this one would look better here if I put it here. Okay, so my background is ready, right? Now I can put it here, and then I will go to text. There is another way where you can get beautiful compatible texts, that is here, right, in the style icon. Here you have 3 types of things. One is the color theme, another is the fonts which you want. You can use compatible fonts. right? So if you want, you can use this. If you go to see all, you will get many compatible fonts, and you can use these 3 different fonts in order to make the template look really good. I personally use this Abby's font very often, so I have taken it, and see, it has already changed the font here. If I think these letters are little clumsy, I can keep it selected, go to this spacing option, and I can just increase the letter spacing a bit. Now delicious is done. Now if I want the next Josephine Sans, this Sans is a very good font family which I very often use, and many graphic designers prefer this because this is a clean yet a very casual looking font. So if I want this, I will just select, I can take this text, I want text box. You can also type, you can also do Control T, otherwise Command T from Apple. So I will use this one, and then I will go to style, and I can change this. Okay, if I take this, this is, if you click it twice, it will come to the second font, right? So I'll first change it to the color of the theme, delicious. I will change the spacing a little bit, delicious street food. Then I can duplicate this street food, and I can place it here, and here I can just tell them the name, Pasta Pavino. I can make it like this a little bit. You can keep this side and up to another slide. Okay, Pasta Pavino. Here you can put another, you can duplicate it, you can keep it simple. And if you want to give a small idea about how to cook this pasta, you can get it from Google, and you can basically add one small caption here about the ingredients or the timing or whatever it is, right? So this is basically, this is how you make your continuous carousel. Once it is done, you need to go to share option, you need to download it. You'll have to download it in the PNG format. I will download it. So now I'll have to upload it. How do I do that? There are 2 options how to split it. First is Pine Tool. This is one option, one software. This is a desktop version of it. So you'll have to come to, either you can use Pine Tool, and if you are doing it from mobile, then you can use this Panorama Crop for Instagram, this mobile version. You can go to Play Store and get it, but as because this is not having any desktop version, it is, the install button is inactive here. So let us go and check how to do the splitting of these image in Pine Tools. Here I will go give image split, and then search. Okay, I will go to split image. Here I will choose the file. It is in the download only, so this one. Okay, I've got this picture. Now I will split it horizontally, right, not vertically, horizontally, and I will make 4 pieces of it, and I want PNG to be the format. Now let us see splitting image, how is it looking. See, 4 images have been split, and now I'll just have to download the zip file. Now I will see how are the images looking like. See, this way we will get 4 slides, right? These 4 are the 4 slides of this. Okay, so all I need to do is I'll just cut it from here. Suppose I'll paste it in desktop. This is how the slides are looking. These 4 slides, can you see these 4 slides? These 4 slides we need to upload in our Instagram profile. That is it, as simple as that. So this is very simple to make a panorama, seamless panorama carousel for your Instagram profile. And regarding this, I would like to tell you a whole series of different types of contents suitable for Instagram I have been making since last few weeks. So I would be giving the link of that playlist in the top right hand side corner of this video in info I button, as well as in the description below. So make sure you go and explore those videos. Those who are watching me in YouTube, I would be strongly recommending you to go to the subscription button below and consider to press it and press the bell icon, and definitely don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And today this much. I will come back next week with some fun tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.